Meaning of impious.
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 Impious. The word impious describes someone or something that shows a lack of respect or reverence for what is considered sacred or holy. It can refer to actions or attitudes that are considered disrespectful or irreverent towards religious beliefs, values, or customs. People who are described as impious may be seen as wicked, immoral, or lacking in proper religious devotion. The consequences of impious behavior can include social ostracism, divine punishment, or societal collapse. Ultimately, the term impious highlights the importance of respecting the beliefs and values of others, especially when they relate to matters of faith or spirituality.